A Moment That Matters with Dr. Jon Roebuck.
It's been a busy season here at Belmont. Most of the faculty and staff are breathing a sigh of relief. All the exams have been given, grades have been posted, and graduation is now over. Another semester has come and gone, and folks are getting ready for Christmas. But soon the spring semester will get underway and it will all start again. The Charlie Curb Center has a lot going on this coming spring as well. There are workshops and conversations happening each month. I invite you to go to our website and check out the exciting things that we're offering to help those who are faith leaders to grow in their knowledge. The web address is on the bottom of the screen. But before we rush headlong into January, let's take some time to slow down, to breathe a sigh of relief and actually enjoy the Christmas holiday. Christmas is only 9 days away. In the midst of the shopping, baking, and wrapping, take a little time to enjoy the season and remember to be grateful for the gift of the Christ child.